We can always do more, we can always be better. Whatever the date, we need to remember International Women's Day. After the challenge comes the change. We need to be alert, we need to stop the hurt and call out any gender bias. We need to show defiance. Time's up for stereotyping. Equality's a battle that we're still fighting. And on March the 8th we can celebrate all the women who empower and enlighten. When we choose to challenge the world